Well, that's the robbing screen I made. See, my problem is I got bees around all the cracks trying to get in where the smell is what I'm guessing. They don't know where the entrance to their hive is, so I'm guessing. Like, look back here, this is in the back of the hive. Why is this bee trying to get in a crack on the back of the hive unless he's a robber? I'm guessing these are robbers. So I put that robbing screen up there. See, like, I got a bunch of bees right here. They don't know where the entrance is. There's one with some pollen cakes on it though, so maybe he's confused still by the screen. I don't know. I wish he would go and wish she would go find the queen and give her some food. And all of these ones trying to get in the crack, if they live here, good. But I don't want to get robbed this year, so as far as I understand, that's how you're supposed to build a robbing screen. It's built with a 1/8 inch wire mesh, and the reason I went so high is because I got a hole over there and the entrance here, and well, there's a good 1.5 inches maybe in between the wall and the screen where the bees can climb down and go inside their hive. But well, I think they're starting to buzz a little bit close to my ear, so maybe they're telling me I need to go away. So that's all the video for right now. It's not really looking like the bees are accepting what I done, unless all those are robbers trying to get in where they smell the honey. Well, that's the activity at the beehive. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think about my bees and the robbing activities and the new screen I built.